Yan, tingnan nyo yung aso sa lower right. Scratching the floor, indicating that there's life beneath. Rescue dog yan, sir. Naghahanap yan ng mga taong trapped under the rubbles.
Ito ang wow trending. Muntika ng mahuli si Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. Ito ang gustong iparating ni General Torre sa mga senador at mga taga-KOJC members. Sa presentasyon na ipinakita ni General Torre sa Senate hearing kahapon, inamin ni General Torre na hirap lang talaga silang maabutan si Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy sa loob ng Bible Study Room na kung saan ay puro mga babae ang nakatira sa loob at may mga minor de edad pa. Dito ipinakita ni General Torre ang layout ng kwarto ni Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy na pang VIP, may sinima pa sa loob. Ang hinala kasi ni General Torre na dito din sa kwarto na ito ginagawa ni Pastor Apollo ang kanyang mga milagro. Lalong lumakas ang kutob ni General Torre na nasa loob nga si Pastor Apollo nung pinasok nila ang kwarter ng madaling araw. Ang dala kasi ng mga pulis na aso ay biglang kumaway ang buntot at kumahol habang inaamoy nito ang sahig ng nasabing kwarto ni Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. Pero ang ikinagulat ni General Torre ay bakit sa tuwing papasok sila sa nasabing kwarto ni Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy ay kakapkapan sila ng mga miyembro ng taga-KOJC. Hinala ni General Torre na sinasadya nila ito, delaying tactics ito ng mga miyember ng KOJC para magkaroon sila ng oras na makatakas o makalipat si Pastor Apollo sa kabilang kwarto. Delaying tactics kumbaga. Dito ipinakita din ni General Torre ang blueprint, layout ng nasabing palapag na ang lahat ng mga kwarto ay may pintuan na pwede kang pumasok sa isa pang kwarto. At ayon pa nga kay General Torre na sigurado siya na nasa loob lang ng KOJC compound si Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. Usap-usapan din kahapon base sa intel ng mga taga-KOJC na sa September 25 ay magdideclare daw di umano ng martial law sa Davao.
That's the video of the pastoral rooms. Not more than maybe 15 young women. Hindi pinakita sa inyo kanina yan, sir. That's the house of the women. In the first floor of the Jose Maria College, off limits to many, including members, male members. Next slide, please. Directly below it, the floor of the basement. Directly below that floor is the basement where you visited this morning. This is what we saw. Those are the bedrooms. Those are the beddings of the ordinary workers. Unless they want to deny it. Next slide, please. Balikan muna dun sa on the rooftop of the basement is directly above those pastoral rooms. Next slide, please. This is the Apollo Quiboloy's hangar. We haven't searched this yet thoroughly. Please click the video. 2 planes, 2 helicopters, luxury cars. And that's just a very, very small part of the property that we're going to search. Do they expect that? Even without interference, we need time. Next slide, please. Res ipsa liquitor. The thing speaks for itself. One of the many rooms of Apollo Quiboloy with a private cinema. They didn't show it to you. There is information that that room on the center, on the second row, on the bottom, second row, that's the room of Mr. Quiboloy. We are not allowed to search it properly. How about if there's a trapdoor there leading to a basement or leading to a tunnel? So we really need to access the tunnel or the basement in some other way. They will not allow us to go there, sir.
But napicturean ninyo, meaning napasok ninyo yan.
Yes, sir.
O so na-search ninyo.
But we were not allowed to search it properly.
Ha?
We were not allowed to search it. Makita, sir, mamaya kung paano nila kami sinasamahan sa search. Makikita niyo, sir, kung paano namin ang search na pinagawa sa amin, sir, na inalaw kami.
O, sige.
Next slide, please. Day 9. We searched, that's September 2 na, sir. Major Jana Rose Parcon attempted to search the College of Ministry building after receiving reports that Kibuloy was cited thereat. However, KOJC members blocked them, called their lawyers, delayed them, just like in the many other times that we searched the property. This is actually just the third building that we are going to search thoroughly sana, sir. And this is how it goes. This is how it went. Next slide, please. During the negotiation, the lawyers did not allow the PNP personnel to go immediately. They only agreed to specific conditions. 10 women personnel, and they are to be freed. Please see video. Wala kami sinasabi naman dyan, sir, na may drugs dyan or may kung ano man dyan, sir. But this is how it went. Hindi totoo, sir, na ang pulis ang nang-aapi dyan. Tingnan nyo naman, law enforcers ang pinifrisk ng mga tao. And look at their people. All of them wear masks. Galit pa sa amin pag pinapatanggal namin ang mask. Ironically, 3 of the suspects that we are looking for are women. Ganyan ang pulis, no? Yan ang nang-aapi. Law enforcers na nang-aapi dyan sa loob ng OJC. The videos will not lie. That's why maybe the presentation of the previous presenter are all pictures. We have to endure that kind of humiliation. Kasi mag-aaway lang kami, sir, pag hindi namin ginawa yan, pag hindi namin sinunod yan. Mag-aaway lang, sir. Kukuyugin lang kami ng mga tao dyan. So, okay, let's do our job. Police ang pinifrisk before they being allowed to enter. Next slide, please. During the implementation, sir, ganito rin naman ang aming nakikita, sir. Next slide. Click the video, please. Sige. 1 minute na video lang yan, sir. That's how we conduct the search. With them swarming us. Leading us. Prohibiting us from opening allegedly secret, confidential rooms or restricted rooms. Hindi naman lahat, sir, na pinabubuksan nila eh. Wala talaga, sir. It's all, kung tutuusin, sir, those are all obstruction of justice. Pwede namin, sir, hulihin lahat yan. We have basis. However, just in the interest of just peaceful. Ganyan, sir.
Obstruction of justice, if you are being prevented from arresting Pastor Kibuloy, but you're prevented. Pinapasok naman kayo eh.
Sige, sir. Next slide, sir.
And besides, Your Honor, if I may, there is already the unlimited search. That
Sir.
is already the 9th day, Your Honor.
Sir.
They have already been conducting searches in that area, Your Honor. I don't know why they like that area very much, the Bible school. And they have been, since day 1,
Yeah,
Your Honor,
okay,
that has been
okay.
searched already.
Okay.
Many times.
Bakit
Can we continue,
paborito
sir?
niyo? Bakit paborito niyo yung Bible
That's
school?
only the third.
Balik-balik.
Makikita siya sa sunod, sir. May sketch na kaming ginawa, sir. Next slide, please.
Continue.
Dito muna tayo, sir, sa search on how cooperative they are. Next slide, please. Click the video, please. Sound, please. Naka-X. 100% mo. Yan. Very cooperative, sir, di ba? They are delaying us. That's a very big building. They are delaying us from proceeding to another section. They stop us in the middle of the search. So that, for whatever reason, they are delaying us. We have to ask them if we can open doors. We have to ask them if we can proceed through these pathways. And we only have 10 police women. Why? Next slide. At may mga threats pa dyan, sir. Maririnig natin dyan. Pati mga anak namin, damay. Sige lang, next slide na. Next slide. In the rest of, para mabilis tayo.
If I were you, if your purpose there in going inside is to arrest Pastor Kibuloy,
Yes, sir.
you allow only 10 women without firearms,
Yes, sir.
pinrest pa ng mga taga-QGC.
Yes, sir.
Paano ngayon kung may armas si Pastor doon sa loob at niratrat yung mga pulis mo?
That's one of the
Payag ka na mamatay yung mga 10 mong pulis.
risks that we have to take, sir. Just
Oh.
one of the risks
For
that we
me,
have to take.
For me, if I'm the commander, that's a very wrong decision.
I take responsibility
Para
for
sa
that, sir.
akin, very wrong decision yan kung mag-aresto ka, babae pa ginagamit mo, walang armas, 10 lang, tapos, what? Hindi mo na-imagine? Just in case, ha? Just in case lang. Granting na hindi si Pastor Kibuloy hinahanap na ninyo. Kung ang hinahanap nyo doon naghintay sa loob, may dalang armas, nirat-rat yung mga police women, patay yung 10.
We'll consider the SWAT next time, sir.
That's a very wrong decision.
I will consider
For
the SWAT
you to-
next time. Yes, sir. I take responsibility for that, sir.
Please continue.
Click on the video, please. Dito, sir. Marinig natin sa audio, may mga bata dyan, dahan-dahan lang kayo. At 6 o'clock, they say that the children are the girls are sleeping. Next slide, please. Hindi na kami nakipag-argue, sir. Bawal makumuha ng pictures, kaya audio na lang ginagamit natin. Next slide, please. PNP or personnel also observed some minors in the living room watching nursery rhyme videos. When asked about the parents of these minors, the KOGC were mum, and some of the loose talks in the escorts had said that they were orphans under the care of the Children's Joy Foundation. Let me segue to the next slide. Let me segue to the Children's Joy Foundation. In 2018, the Children's Joy Foundation was accused by Wise Institute for Human Services of impersonating them and fraudulently engaging in fundraising activities in the United States. The CJF was also cited by the FBI when they raided the KOGC headquarters in Van Nuys, Los Angeles, California in January 29, 2020. Yan ang Children's Joy Foundation. Next slide, please. Because we are not given by the Davao building official of the plans of that we asked for, our architects in the PNP Engineering Service made a sketch based on the videos and the descriptions given to us. This is the ground floor plan of the college, of the ministry building. And the interesting part is the second floor where the room of Apollo Kibuloy is situated. Next slide. The room of Apollo's bedroom is in the second floor, and you see the doors passing through both sides and always beside a woman's room, also with various entrances and exits. Can you click Apollo's bedroom? If you look at Apollo's bedroom, it's new. The bed cover is newly placed because if that's an old bed cover, the creases would have straightened out already. Bago lang yan, sir. Kasi kung matagal na yan, sir, wala na yung lukot na yan. Because of pag bumababa yan eh. And then yung mga upuan yan, we are not allowed to search underneath. We are not allowed to search within. That's the bedroom of Apollo Kibuloy. Back, please. And I would like to stress, woman's room. Can you please click on that? That cannot be denied. Shoes, designer bags, luxury items, name it. In a woman's room, we cannot find, we cannot name, we don't know. But definitely not Apollo Kibuloy's child. Next slide. So again, back muna. back sa ating sketch. Again, if we look at the sketch, tagus-tagusan ng mga pintuan, sir. Hindi pwedeng 10 lang ang pwede dyan. Kasi pag 10 lang ang pwede dyan at may kasama yung tao na magtatago, hindi mo talaga makikita dahil i-delay lang, sir. I-delay lang, lipat sa kabila. I-delay lang, lipat sa kabila. Two stories yan. 2 ang hagdanan sa magkabilaan, may hagdanan sa gitna. Paano mo makikita yan kung may nakikialam, nakakampi ng nagtatago at 10 lang kayo, 5 on each wing. Hindi pwede talaga, sir. Next slide. May mga walk-in closet pa, sir. Yan. And then, the next day, we repeated the search. Yan ang sabi nila na binabalikan namin because we came together with the DSWD to look for the children kung hindi man lang at mas search ng mas maayos. Again, they were freezed, they were delayed. Next slide. And we thought that they will be giving us free access and merong mga rooms na hindi pwedeng mabuksan dahil sabi nila restricted room daw on the 2nd floor. But eventually, after minutes of delay, pinabuksan din nila, 1 pulis lang ang pumasok. Ano tinatago nila kung wala naman si Apollo Kibuloy dyan? Next slide, please. Click on the video, please. Ganun uli, sir. May mga babae uli na mga nakamaskara. Pero 3 sa kanila ang hinahanap namin, 3 of the accused are women. Hindi namin matingnan ang mga mukha ng mga yan.
Stop.
Next slide.
Pwede malaman sa inyo, bakit nakamask yung mga babae doon? Eh, di ba tayo galit na galit tayo sa mga pulis na nakamask because they're very intimidating? Bakit yung mga babae doon sa loob nakamask?
Sir, nagmamask talaga kami doon sa loob. Since nung nag-siege, kasi bumabaho, mabaho at saka very polluted yung area. But if they could have requested us to take up our mask, we would. Pero talagang we are just protecting ourselves from this pollution. Polluted yung area. Kasi lahat ng sundalo, lahat nandoon, nagmamask kami.
Therefore, mali rin ako nung pinagalitan ko yung mga pulis sa highway. Bakit kayo nakamask? Ang rason nila, polluted, sir, dahil maraming usok dito. Highway ito.
Sir.
Daming sasakyan. So mali yung aking assumption na ang purpose nila doon is para hindi sila makilala at para intimidate yung dating nila. Kapag ganun. Sorry.
Okay lang,
I'm just
sir.
trying to
Okay
be,
lang po.
I'm just trying to
Sir,
be
ganito.
rational here.
It's okay.
I'm just trying to be fair here. So,
Yes.
kaya kita tinanong bakit
Opo.
nakamas sila doon sa loob.
Sir, as KOJC missionaries, women at that, and with all these policemen surrounding us, nagpipicture, nagbi-video, parang nakahubad kang maglakad. Kasi ganun sila. Tingnan mo, may mga video kami, gumaganon sila, gidudulit ilahang mga kamera sa mga nawong. Sir, as missionaries, may kultura po kami. Hindi po nag-expose ng aming mga katawan indecently. And here comes lahat ng mga pulis nakaaligid. Kaya to protect ourselves also, aside sa, ako mismo sir, mabaho talaga pag lumalabas. Sorry ha, mabaho na talaga ang compound, umaalingasaw dahil 3 araw, walay mga laba, walay mga ligo. So magmas jud ko kay pertig jud sir kabaho. At the same time, dili jud kamo, jud pod na ana, hindi kami nasanay ma-expose sa mga tao na gano'n.
Pero ako sorry to say, yung 10 babae na kinapkapan doon kanina, mukhang malinis naman yun. Mukhang mga disente, mukhang galing katitipan yun, bagong ligo na naka-uniforme. Hindi naman siguro mabaho yun. Mga babae rin yun very stricto rin yan sa sanitation, hygiene, ang sanitation nila. But anyway, I'm considering your explanation. Thank you. Please continue.
Thank you, sir. I would like to emphasize the last sentence. No minors were already found by the DSWD in the room where they were in the previous day. Kung nasaan ang mga bata na yun, sir, sila na lang nakakaalam. Ba't nila itinatago sa DSWD? Batang babae. Next slide, please. Other incidents and observations that we have seen so far. Negotiations, may mga nagreklamo sa amin. Isang nagreklamo is may parent na gustong makuha ang kanilang mga anak. Ang kanilang anak pala, sir. Naibalik na yan, sir, sa Leyte. Nakabalik na yan. Next slide, please. Despite all may isang anak naman, tinawag ang kanyang nanay. At the end of the day, bumalik din ang nanay. Dahil free choice niya naman yun. Pero, yun, at least nakausap ng kanyang anak. Dahil hindi nga niya nakausap ang anak niya from North Cotabato. Next slide. Ito, sir, nakauwi na ito. Sa Leyte, nabawi nila. For so long, hinahanap nilang anak nila na yan. Next slide. There is another incident that these people, that the KOJC used minors to pakiclick ng video natin. Mahaba yan, sir. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo ang unahan lang. Yan on the first day, sir, ginamit nila sa frontline mga bata para prevent ang pulis na pumasok. Despite the fact na supposedly, sabi ni Atty. Torion, ay voluntary na inopen nila ang gate. But with reservation, sabi nila. Pero pagpasok namin, yan, mga bata ang iniharap sa amin para kami ay pigilan.
Sandali. Bakit umiiyak yung mga bata?
Sila ang ginagamit, sir, sila ang ginagamit na human shield ng mga KOJC. They should not been there in the first place.
Ko lang. Sinaktan ba ninyo yung mga bata?
Wala kami sinasaktan dyan, sir. Dadaan lang kami dyan. Sila yung mga... Next slide, please. May kasunod na intervention dyan, sir. The next intervention there is called the DSWD, which again, conducted counseling to these minors, coordinated by our WCPD and supervised again by the KOJC. Walang police yun, sir. Sila lahat, all on their terms. Everything that we do on their terms. Next slide, please.
Sandali. Hold mo na. Balik. DSWD. I-confirm mga tao nyo yan, yung naka-pula, na may DSWD sa likod?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Those were the social workers from the DSWD.
Pwede malaman bakit sila nakamas?
During that time, Mr. Chair, the situation was really full of tension. And of course, no, the sweat and in the area. Kaya na for safety po and well-being ng mga social workers, nagmamas din po sila.
So, it validates the explanation of KOGC na mabaho daw ang area dahil madumi?
Ipaningot.
Paningot. Pinapawisan.
Opo.
At medyo hindi na maganda yung amoy.
Yes po.
I'm just trying to get the validation from you because you are not KOGC member. You are from DSWD.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So it gives, your statement gives credence to the statement of KOGC.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, kasi kayo, hindi mo kayo KOGC, di ba? You are DSWD. And yet, you cover your mouth. Nagmask kayo.
Yes, Mr.
That's why I'm asking you, bakit? So, ang sagot mo is, medyo...
to protect them also because they are engaging in different people and medyo na po doon, yung iba na po yung amoy.
Iba ang amoy.
Yung pinagpapawisan po lahat.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sandali.
may I pose a short question only to the chair? Because I'm looking at the picture, and as a former social worker of the Department of Social Welfare and Development for 5 years, I'd like to know whether the requisite of a social case study has been done prior to the counseling.
You address your question to...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's my question, sir.
Ano kung nag-address?
If a social case study has been conducted by the social workers of the Kagawaran ng Kagalingang Panlipunan at Pagpapaunlad, kung kanilang ginawa yon bago magsagawa ng psychological intervention.
Thank you. Quickly, please answer. So that babalik tayo dito sa presentation nila.
Yes, indeed, Mr. Chair, there are case summary reports prepared by the social worker before they conduct the psychosocial intervention. We confirm
So
that.
you answer in the affirmative.
Yes,
correct.
Mr. Chair, correct.
Okay, thank you. Please continue.
Thank you, sir. Next slide, please. Now, here's the cathedral. Ayaw kami papasukin dito before. Eventually, sa kakulitan namin and saka gagamit ng diplomasiya, we found this door. Going to the lounge of Apollo Kibuloy. And again, he has a bedroom in the cathedral. Wala naman kami sinasabing kung ano man, but he has a bedroom in the cathedral.
Yes, napasok ko yan
Next slide.
kanina.
Next slide, please. So, dito sir, obserbahan niyo yung aso. Aside from the technical equipment, ito ho ang aso nang pumasok dyan. Tingnan niyo yung aso sa lower right. Scratching the floor, indicating that there's life beneath. Rescue dog yan, sir. Naghahanap yan ng mga taong trapped under the rubbles. Tingnan mo, sir. Unless na indicator yun, sir, ng positive. Na may naaamoy siya sa ilalim ng carpet. Ito sa baba naman, sir, makikita nyo, magtatatahol naman yung aso na yan, sir. Unless na naturuan ng aso.
O bakit wala kayo nakita?
Hindi pa namin, sir, nabubutas yan, sir.
Ha?
Hindi pa namin nabubutas
Bakit
yan.
hindi nyo binutas?
Bubutasin natin, sir.
Ha?
Later on, sir. Di, sir.
Oh,
Hindi namin.
Yan, prolonging the agony. Nakita ko na yung nagkuha na yung aso, signaling positive presence ng life to sa ilalim. Bakit hindi na nyo kaagad naksyonan?
Hindi pa kami, sir, nakakapapas. Diyan, sir, kasi cathedral yan, sir. Take into consideration the sensibilities of KOJC. Hindi namin, sir, gagawin yung butas yan, sir, na kasinlaki nung ginawa namin sa basement. Because if they will allow us, we'll enter a drilling
If you
machine.
really want to arrest Pastor Kibuloy,
Yes, sir. We'll use,
13 days na eh. Bakit hindi nyo ginawa yan?
makita naman natin, sir, yung resistance on the first 1 week na talaga, sir, na we cannot bring in the equipment that we need. They really want, they stop us, yung sinasabi nila, sir, na x-ray. Kita mo, sir, pati ang pickaxe, hindi namin maipasok ng basta-basta. That's why I really, after those, their allegations.
Alam mo, Nick, everything will be settled. Yung paghaharang nila, hindi din haharang sa inyo kung meron kayong search warrant. Gawin ninyo ang search warrant para...
Sir, we cannot apply for a search warrant. Considering that search warrant is used for contraband things and illegal items, we're not alleging that, sir. What we are looking for is a person. No judge will issue us a search warrant because we do not allege that there's drugs there. We do not allege that there are illegal items there, sir. The search warrant will only cover things because it will say that you are commanded to bring to me this caliber 45, which is illegal in the possession of Mr. Salvador. Yun, sir. We cannot make lies.
I agree.
Yes,
I
sir.
agree.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
So, ayan, sir, ang mga indicators na hindi namin pwedeng i-ignore. So, again, that's what I said before. We'll drill holes in there, sir, with the approval of the without the approval of the GMC. But we want to leave a very small footprint. We want to bring in a borehole drilling machine, which will only make a 4-inch or 6-inch hole where we can put down our telescopic cameras to ensure to inspect what is beneath, maybe 10 meters below the ground. Yan, sir, kahol ng kahol. No? So, hindi naman pwede namin paulit-ulitin yan, sir, because the dog will, may mga restrictions din ang pagpaulit-ulit sa aso at masisira rin ng kanyang masisira ang kanyang training pag paulit-ulit na lang na wala kaming ginagawa. Next slide, please. So, general observation. These are our general observations, sir. The most common refrain of KOJC in preventing or delaying searches is quarters ng mga babae yan. And we have heard it a while ago from one of our resource persons na puro daw mga quarters ng mga babae. And true enough. Next. And true enough, we find bedrooms of women surrounding the bedroom of Apollo Kibuloy. Next slide, please. In these three areas that we searched, we observed that Kibuloy's room is the only man's room in these areas. I would like to ask KOJC to tour you on those facilities in the ACQ College of Ministry, in the cathedral, in the first floor of the JMC building, in the dormitory of the pastorals, if there are other men living in that area. And show to you, to August senators and reporters, if there are really other men living in that area aside from Kibuloy, in the midst of women.
What are you trying to imply?
I'm trying to imply, sir, that the warrant, especially this warrant in branch 106, for violation of section 5P of RA 7610, that reads, the charges, the warrant is subsisting on August 8, issued on August 8, and signed by Judge Noel Parel. Pasensya na kayo, sir. Affected ako, sir, sa mga ganitong klaseng warrant, sir.
Continue.
The charges
Continue.
the warrant was issued for violation of section 5B of RA 7610 that reads, those who commit an act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse. The law, sir. Next slide, please. And all the rooms of Apollo Kibuloy are not offices. All these rooms are bedrooms, including in the cathedral. Next slide, please. His room in the ACQ College of Ministry is the most lavish so far. Next slide. With a jacuzzi to boot. And that is surrounded by rooms of women. Adjacent to it is a room for a woman we have not yet identified. Next slide.
Well, as if
Assessment.
you're trying to impute malice. You're trying to impute malice because, yung bathtub na yan, regardless kung gaano kamahal yan, kaya nga niya bumili ng eroplano eh. Kaya nga niya bumili ng helicopter eh. So,
Sir,
nung
the warrant of arrest had already been issued by a judge on charges of sex with a minor.
so,
That means, sir, that the rooms that we are searching is really the room of Apollo Kibuloy based on all the indicators. Kaya lang, sir, tagus-tagusan ng mga kwarto, tagus-tagusan ng mga pinto. Kailangan namin, sir, search on our own terms,
but
not on the terms of...
you agree with me that all you are saying are all theories.
Yes, sir, of course.
Kasi, have you seen Pastor Apollo Kibuloy making sex with the children in that bathtub?
We are not saying...
Wala naman, di ba?
We are not saying it, sir. It's in the warrant.
Because you are trying to impute malice in your statements.
No, sir. I'm not imputing malice. I'm just
Well,
reading what
hindi
is
naman.
in the...
I was not born yesterday. The way you deliver your statement is trying to impute malice.
What I'm saying, sir, is that the evidence that we see is supporting the warrant of arrest for sex with a child, sir.
Okay, you're free to make your own assessment. But I am also free to, as the chairman of this committee,
Yes, sir, of course.
that's what I observe from you. You're trying to impute malice on the subject with the absence of actual sex happening in that bathtub. Huh?
I think the actual sex happening, sir, was already discussed and already studied by the judge. That's why he asked for he issued a warrant.
Diyan nangyayari?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh.
We're not implying
Hindi
that
nangyayari dyan.
it's from the bathtub, sir. What I'm saying, sir,
I'm not lawyering for Pastor Kibuloy, ha? I am just trying to, based on what you are saying, I'm just trying to.
what I'm saying, sir, is that please. Previous slides, please. Previous slide. Ito sir ang observations lang naman.
Okay, observations. You're free to make your own observations.
The
Go
most
ahead.
common refrain is the use of women.
Okay.
Which nakita namin, sir, 99% of people tailing us. Kita mo, sir, yung sa kanina yung diwata. Si Mr. Darwin Salcedo lang halos ang lalaki. Babae lahat na sa paligid niya. Di ba, sir? Iyon ang mga warriors nila, sir, eh. True enough, we
Point
find...
of order, Your Honor. Point of order.
Yeah, go ahead.
It seems
What's your
that
point of
the
order?
presentation of the General, Your Honor, is being used really not to present facts of what happened, but to present his view of Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy in order to malign him,
Correct.
in order to make him look bad to the people without even presenting a single evidence and possible reason why is it that the location of the rooms are like that. Simply because of the fact that there are many members of the KOJC, and to impute malice into his supposed presentation, Your Honor, which is actually a confirmation that he is turning an arrest warrant into a general warrant, which is prohibited in the Constitution, Your Honor, because he is conducting only search based only on an arrest warrant. And we were even trapped on September 2, 2024, where his police women went there, Your Honor. It was already day 9. The patience of the people there was already running thin. And they were there, Your Honor, many times already. And on day 9, suddenly they had this all women this time. And of course, since his women was only carrying an arrest warrant, they tried to assert their right that maybe what you are doing is no longer right.
Okay. I would like to remind General